Art and Culture Minister Langpulakpam Jendrakumar says government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees for renovation of museums inside the Kangla Fort. And Manipur with altogether 128 medals bags first runners-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. A very happy and prosperous New Year to everyone. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Art and Culture Minister Langpulakpam Jendrakumar has disclosed that the government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees to renovate the 3 museums inside the Kangla Fort. He was speaking on the sidelines of a tree plantation drive carried out at the State Herbal Garden inside the Kangla Fort in association with the State Medicinal Plants Board today. Minister Jendrakumar terms the government's decision to renovate the museums as one of its biggest achievements. He expressed a firm belief that revamping of the State Herbal Garden and the museums inside the Kangla Fort will attract many tourists in the state. He appeals to extend support to the government's initiatives. Speaking on the sidelines, State Medicinal Plants Board SMPB CEO A. Guneshwar Sharma said that the state government has already forwarded a written request to the centre to take initiatives for producing herbal products. He said herbal products will be produced at the state level first, followed by productions at the district level.
Kangla manung sidida Arts and Culture Department ki mailai na bada khan packet chaw makal thabuk sing hai betai masi chu handaki mixing manung da horani Kangla manung sida mi na khangda bada museum macha ohum lei museum macha ohum se masi gi damukta khoi 4 some crore adu earmark to na paisa do thadore sanction to re kun dpr thajur badagi thadore amasum paisa release to hore first installment adu tor matung da khoi na Kangla gi main Kangla da lai ba bitu pakhang bagi jaga hai jaga sida khoi na Kangla khoi pa phal la na hai makal museum ma ya khoi na samakan gi gate hekchang puda lai makal museum asi develop tawn bu madugi tongan makli ani suma museum ma deloina na ada ma wangai gi British period ta saramba akhoi gi achoba akhoi gi sang mayam ma macha mayam maintenance song le bising ma si museum ma smart to museum ohum si ma si su develop tawn bu habna habi bisa release tawra bani na akhoi cheul sing manung siri da khumatu implement to horani.
Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham has inaugurated an Atal Tinkering Laboratory at Khomdon Educational Blooming Institute KB in Charangpat today. The laboratory is opened under Atal Innovation Mission AIM of the Niti Aayog National Institute for Transforming India. Thoubal District ADC and other officials attended the event.
Ahom ba le pa kana koi siba sa mana adona tammi ba mai sing se mioi ba khoina aphaba nungayo kun simarem le ma loina sang ma da ka le adu ida makta akoi innovation anu wakal anu potho kaya ma pothorok equipment technology kaya ma pothorok gi darkar le adu ida makta tinkering lab ai se angai phade and India government na Bharat Sarkar na school khara khangal ga pira poda akoi school sim so aphaba school ne ha de gi bibi ra ibani.
Senior Citizens for Society Wangoi chapter observed its 8th Foundation Day at Wangoi Bazaar today. MLA Oinam Lukhoi led people in paying floral tributes to late members of the society, including its founder member and former Chief Minister of Manipur, late Wahingbam Nipamacha. Winter gifts were presented to senior citizens of Wangoi at the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Oinam Lukhoi stressed on the need to take good care of senior citizens. He also highlighted the various welfare programs taken up for senior citizens, including old age pension scheme under Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren-led state government. MLA Lukhoi wished everyone that the new year will bring peace, prosperity, love and harmony among communities in the state. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on India's plan to launch Chandrayaan 3 in 2020. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, has said that India will launch Chandrayaan 3 in 2020. Briefing reporters in New Delhi yesterday, Dr. Singh asserted that the minimum cost will be less than Chandrayaan 2. He added that the experience gathered from Chandrayaan 2 and available infrastructure will bring down the cost of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan-2 mission was India's first attempt to land on lunar surface. The Indian Space Research Organization had planned its landing on the south pole of the lunar surface. Now the sports news. Manipur team has backed the runners-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019. Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra hosted the championship held under the aegis of All India Kung Fu Federation at Maharashtra's Sai Baba Savadam Kanhe Fata in Pune. Manipur team bagged altogether 128 medals, including 81 gold, 25 silver, and 22 bronze. As part of the championship, South Asia Kung Fu Federation also presented All India International Sifu Awards 2019 to 4 players from Manipur. Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham led the residents of Hairog in Thoubal district in taking out a Fit India movement rally today. BJP Hairog Mandal organized a rally with an aim to build a healthy society free from drugs menace in the new year 2020. Around 8,000 people of all age groups rallied through Lorembam Thak in Hairog till Nongpok Sekmai Nisa ground. Various yoga asanas were performed upon reaching the final destination. Speaking to media, Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham said only healthy people can build a healthy society. He urged the people to stay healthy to take up various developmental works.
I fit oiragadi loina mo fit oigani ada mi pudung fit oina bagi adugi movement ni pandamda ngasi ahan ba sei hobunu misra hairo kenragi mi khudeng mak masamu fana leiba wakhal nungai leiba adugi tamakta apaina fit india movement gi moto da tawjaraga hairo kenragi fit india gi makhata na fit hairo ac hana tarapai leiri mayam sigi fitness lagna ba
4th Police District Police Cup 7 Men A side open football tournament jointly organized by Kakching Sugnu Police and Sugnu Football Club concluded yesterday. Kakching Kuno Athletics and Cultural Organization defeated FFCT Laloifai by 4-3 in the concluding match. Additional SP Law and Order Lokho Mangkhongsai of Kakching attended the valedictory event. The 3rd Khelo India Youth Games will be held in Guwahati between 10th and 22nd of next month. 6,500 athletes from 37 teams will take part in the event. Chief Executive Officer of the Games, Avinash Joshi, said that the upcoming event is going to be the biggest multidisciplinary games ever held in the country. He said cycling and lawn ball have been introduced as new disciplines in the games. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal launched the torch relay of the competition in Guwahati on Sunday. The torch will be carried to all the district headquarters to elicit the cooperation of the people for the success of the games. Sarbananda Sonowal asked the people of Assam to create a fantastic environment for all the athletes who will be participating in the competitions. The opening ceremony of the 3rd Khelo India Youth Games will take place at the Indira Gandhi Stadium in Guwahati on January 10 before the athletes take part in their respective events in full flow. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Art and Culture Minister Langpulapam Jayantakumar says government has earmarked over 4 crore rupees for renovation of museums inside the Kangla Fort. And Manipur, with altogether 128 medals, bags the first runner-up title of the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019.